Alright, we're doing the mini for the Falcons, Raiders, and Bucks. I'm going to type in here live. There we go. We'll come over here to giveaway. And it shows here the time is 12:54. It is now 12:54. We got Jesse, Greg, Al, Greg, Mark, Sean, Mark, Al, Mark, Jesse. Just to make sure, we'll come back over here. Whoops, that's the wrong one. See, we got Jesse, Greg, Al, Greg, Mark, Sean, Mark, Al, Mark, Jesse. Once again, same order. We're looking for a 2 dice roll higher than 5, so 6 or more is what we want. And our first roll, we got 12. So we're going to go with 12 rounds. Once again, our time is 12:54. It is 12:54, so we're good. And we'll begin the giveaway. Yeah, I know, I'm on a pay-as-you-go right now. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Once again, we've done 11 rounds. We got 1 round left. Time is 12:55. Time is 12:55. And we'll do our final round. Person on top wins all 3 teams. That's Falcons, Raiders, and Bucks. Good luck, everyone. Final round. And it looks like we got Mark Talley winning the Falcons, Raiders, and Bucks. Congratulations, Mark. I'm going to post the video, then I'll post the results. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you once again, and good luck in the break. And let me finish typing done so that you guys can see that. And we will talk to you soon. Bye.